Caplight Private Market Price Discovery App. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Caplight is a platform designed to help investors discover accurate valuations in private markets, making private equity and startup investing more transparent. Most people assume private market data comes with exorbitant fees, but Caplight's pricing is clear and structured. The platform operates on a subscription model starting at per month, granting access to private company valuations, market benchmarks, and investor sentiment insights. Higher tier plans include advanced analytics, portfolio tracking, and unlimited access to price discovery data. There are no hidden transaction fees or additional charges for analytics downloads. Caplight also allows investors to compare private deals, track funding rounds, and monitor equity ownership trends in real time. For example, venture capital investors can quickly gauge whether a startup's valuation aligns with market benchmarks before making commitments. The surprising truth is that for under a month, users gain access to institutional-grade private market intelligence, a service that historically costs thousands annually. This makes private investing more transparent and accessible. In conclusion, Caplight app pricing is transparent, affordable, and designed to provide meaningful insights for private market investors. Understanding subscription tiers helps users maximize value and make informed investment decisions with confidence.